It's not vora. It's going to be smaller. Vray, a like day. Your mouth is out. Voracious, like gracious. Voracious. So it's not COs, but shus. Good. And this means having an insatiable appetite or consuming large quantities, but not always food. So the example I have for you is to show you that you can have a voracious appetite, but oftentimes we use it outside of the context of food, which I find really interesting. And this is the difference between studying for an academic purpose, where if you just take the literal definition, you might miss out on other opportunities to actually use it. And that's where the examples come in. So one more time, so not voracious.